Hey, hello guys, welcome back. This is Viren Kumar. So today I am making a something different video and that is related to our testing. I know you have learned the manual testing and after that you switch to the automation testing using the Selenium WebDriver tool and you have learned the Java programming languages and you have written your script to automate the web applications. And after that, you learn the DevOps technology, Azure DevOps, AWS, Google Cloud, any other DevOps technology you have learned and you have worked on it. But now what is about the DevOps? That I'm going to talk and I'm going to give the brief idea and introduction about the topic. So today's topic I'm going to discuss on the AI. So in your life, you have experience like whenever you're working or you need any assistance from the banking systems or any other systems, then you will get a pop-up and need any help. And then they will start giving the answer of your queries. Actually, these are not the human behind that, they are the systems. And what the systems call, we call as the AI systems. AI means artificial intelligence and chatbot and chat gpt, these are the completely AI based systems. Now we are going to talk about the AI. What is the AI, artificial intelligence, and what are the types of the testing that we can perform as a tester for the AI testing. What are the tools that we can use to perform the AI testing that we are going to discuss in this video. What is the AI? So first understand the definition of the AI. Okay, now let's understand the definition of the AI. AI stands for the artificial intelligence and it refers to the simulation of the human intelligence in the machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. So basically, the artificial intelligence is the hardware plus software combinations. So we are creating the machines, suppose the robots. So robots are the hardware systems, but inside we are developing the software by the programming and we are making a system that can think like a humans. So as a human, we can think, we can feel and we can react and grow. But what about the machines? So machines also can think. And whenever we ask any questions to these machines, they can reply on your queries. And these machines are designed and developed by the technology that we call as the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has the ability to perform the task. It can perform the task that would normally require human intelligence. Wherever it's required less human interactions, it can perform the task, such as the visual perceptions. As a human, we can do the visual perceptions, we can see the object and we can identify this is the tree and we can identify, okay, this is the ship. So whatever object we are seeing, our mind will do the visual perceptions and after that it will tell to the mind this is the tree, this is the ship, this is the software, this is the technology. So by seeing we can do that. But what about the machines? So we have developed such type of the machines, they are doing the visual perceptions and speech recognition. So suppose if I speak in the English and if the system can transfer this language into the another language like the German, Dutch, French, Hindi, any language it can transfer automatically. So this is understood by the system, not by the human, and this is very helpful to understand the other languages. So if I am from India and if I know the Hindi, I want to learn the English. So the system will translate the Hindi into English. And same with it with the decision makings and language translations. So language translation by text and speech recognition by the speech. So if someone is saying, and then we can understand the speech. Now, what is the AI testing that I want to know? So, is there any scope for the AI testers, or how to learn the AI testing? And is it possible to do the AI testing as a manual tester or as a automation tester? Yes, AI testing is the process of the testing software. Like we do the software testing, it's kind of the process of the testing softwares. I have already said that AI is the combination of hardware plus software. So, as a software engineer, you cannot perform the hardware testing, but you can perform the software level testing. And that use the artificial intelligence algorithms to ensure that it functions correctly and meets the requirements. So artificial intelligence basically use the algorithms. You already know what is the algorithms, and these algorithms used by the artificial intelligence, and as a tester we need to perform these algorithms are functioning as per the requirement or not. So suppose in the Java you have written a one functions to add of the two numbers, and you want to check these functionalities working or not. So you will do the testing. You will write a JUnit test to check this module is working or not. In the same manner, when we are writing the software using the algorithms for the artificial intelligence, you need to perform the testing to ensure that the functionality is working or not. Now, what is the AI testing? Again, the AI systems can be quite complex and can have many different components that needs to be tested. AI systems are very complex. I know, because this is the combination of the hardware plus software, and they are using the algorithms. They are not just like we are developing the website using the Java servlet pages or other uh, website development languages like PHP, .NET, Java programming language. They are the complex systems and they use the algorithms, and that can have many different components that we can test. The use of the AI testing frameworks. There are also the AI testing frameworks, like we have the web automation framework like hybrid automation framework, BDD Cucumber automation framework. Like that, the AI testing also have the framework and the libraries. Now let's understand the type of the AI testing. Okay, so there are the different type of the AI testing available. So first, it's a unit testing. I know you already know the unit testing when you are learning the manual testing in the software engineering. So you already know what is the unit testing. Same testings we can perform here, but the module will be the different. Once the unit testing is done, then we go with the integration testing to integrate the two modules. Now, once the two modules are integrated, then we will perform the functional testing so that the two modules working properly as per the requirement. So that we will do in the functional testing. After the functional testing, we perform the performance testing. The performance testing will check the performance of the modules. Here we are using the JMeter load runner for the performance testing. There are different other tools in the AI to perform the performance testing. Then we will discuss the acceptance testing. Okay, so these are the mainly type of the testings that we perform in the AI testing. Now unit testing. So this is the type of the testing that focus on the individual units or components of the AI systems. So we have the AI systems support your, suppose your chatbot is the AI system. So this is with the multiple components. So we need to perform the testing on each and every component of the system. and it is used to verify that each unit of the software is working correctly or not. So first we design the component, then we ensure the component is working or not. Once one component is working as per the requirement, we switch to the integration testing. So basically this is the type of the testing that focus on the integration of the different units and the components of the AI systems. There are the two components, component A and there are the component B. So we integrate, means we join these components and then we see how they are working. Individually they are working fine, but after integrating with the other component they should work perfectly. It's just like when you are writing the one test script, you are running individually, it is working fine. So when you integrate with your framework, then you want to test with the framework by running the test suite execution. So you will ensure you okay, your test script is working fine. The same thing here for the AI systems. Then the functional testing. So this is the type of the testing that focus on overall functionality of the AI system. So if you have developed the AI systems just to reply the queries, whatever human is asking, then your AI system should work as per the requirements. If your AI system is the robot system, and if you want to perform to serve your food in the restaurants and any other functionality or the task that you want your AI robot should do, then it should work as per the requirement. It is used to verify that the software is able to perform its indeed functions correctly. Performance testing. This is a type of the testing that focus on how well the AI system perform under the different conditions, such as the loads and the inputs. So you already know the performance testings, how we perform. So if there are the multiple users are there and if they are using the tool, then the tool should perform under the loads and the inputs. Acceptance testing is the type of the testing which focus on determining whether or not the AI system meets the requirement and it's ready for the release. You know the acceptance. This is the user acceptance testing. So once this testing is performed, then we are ready for the release. Now the TensorFlow. So what is this? TensorFlow is open source software library for the machine learning developed by the Google. It provides a flexible and the powerful platform for creating and deploying the machine learning modules, particularly neural networks. TensorFlow is widely used for various tasks such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and decision making. Okay, so Google is developing such a open source software library that we can use for the AI testing. So this is basically used for the various tasks such as the image and speech recognition. Suppose if you have captured the one image, okay, so and after uploading on the systems on the Google will recognize this image is the cat image or the dog image or the human image. The system will identify by the pixels and it will say, okay, this image is female or male, like that. It will recognition the image, and when you speak, this is the male speech or this is the female speech, that type of the recognition will do under the TensorFlow. So this is the library that can be used as a testing tool for the AI testing. So finally, the AI testing is an important aspect of the software engineering that involves the testing software that use the artificial intelligence algorithms so that we can ensure that it should functions correctly and meets the requirement.